Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. So here we have another dash cam video. This one is for the Pelsee P1 Duo. Price point for a dual camera, it was $89.99 from Amazon with next day shipping. So when I was looking on a certain automotive retailer who also does installation for £50, where if you watch this video you will learn how to do it for free. Their cheapest single ones are about sort of like 70-80 quid. So $89.99 for a dual one. It's 2K front and 1080p rear. We're not going to be doing the rear today, we're just going to be doing the front because it's going to be going on my van. So I'm actually going to be keeping and using this one. How you see all the footage and everything is done via your phone as an app, and on there you can sort of see all the files that come through and you can download them quite easily from that. So I'll show you how to do that. One thing that it doesn't come with, and most dash cams don't come with them as well, so don't get caught out and buy it, think you can use it. You do need to get memory cards. So this is a 256 gig memory card, it's a Samsung one. Again, it's from Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description below, so help you out from that one. So right, let's get into it. Let's have a look, see what you get in the box, and then go from there. Right. So apparently, this device complies with Part 15 of the FCC ruling. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device must not cause harmful interference, and this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Don't really understand what that means. It is manufactured in the late great China, as most products are. Right, let's open up the box. Right, so it's nicely protected, so when it comes all the way from China, it's not going to get damaged in transit, which is good. Alright, let's have a little look-see. Okay, yeah, so it is very small. It is very small. Very light. Full plastic casing, okay, so it's not a metal casing, which is a bit of a shame. It would have been nice for it to have been metal, but I suppose for the price point that we've got at $89.99 they have to probably cut something back somewhere, so the casing. But let's be honest, it's going to be stuck on the windscreen, so it's not really going to get any damage, and if it's not metal it's not going to get as hot by the sun, so there's probably a reason as well behind that. So right, your personal, oh okay, right, so I was wondering how it's going to work. So the camera's obviously at the front there, and then you peel off the sticker to reveal your display screen, and there's a button, that's a button you press, and then obviously we take off like that. So there we go, that's the front of it, that's the back of it. It does have 3M tape on it, which is very good. And then the accessories. Now this is not a hardwire kit, so for all the people telling me that you need to hardwire it into the fuse box if you want to do the job properly. Yes, you're right, if you want to do the job fully like that and never want to get it out again, or it's going to be staying in there for a very long time, buy the hardwire kit. Is an additional. I didn't get the hardwire kit from it. I'm not going to chop the end off and do it through from that point of view. I'm going to use what I was given, okay? So, and I am going to run it past the corner panels here. So for those people who are concerned about airbags, I mean, if your side airbag goes off, you have been in a pretty big collision, so I wouldn't really be too worried about the state of a wire there. I'd be more concerned about your head and your legs, right? So that's you've got an installation tool to prise back the panels, and a screwdriver for some reason. Right. So I just remembered the apprentice that we had stuck a screwdriver in the cigarette socket and blew the fuse on that, so I'm just going to have to quickly fix that, and I'll be right back. Right, so there we go, we fixed that, 20 amp fuse blown, get rid of that. So this is what we have. So we've got the extension cable that's going to be feeding into the socket there, and then we've got this braided cable, which is quite large to be on display, I'm going to say. I don't know why. I know that you've got, this is for the outlet for the rear camera, so they're next to each other, so they've kept it tidy in there, but that is quite a big cable. So yeah, we're going to be popping it up probably. Well, everyone says it can't be in the way of the rear view mirror. Well, I don't even have a rear view mirror, so who cares? So I'm going to pop it probably just to the left of that, or maybe just below it or something, so we can run the cable up. So I'll get round. I could probably just get in here, to be fair. I don't know why they want you to. Thank you for choosing us. We are here to help, support. Now they have been quite trying to be quite helpful about everything, so I'll definitely give them that. So in the other one, they supplied a cleaning cloth. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We've got a cleaning cloth for the window, which is definitely going to be needed in my van. We've got some, I don't know what that is. Another pad. Another pad. Trim tool, which is nice of them to do. Screwdriver, don't know why I need that. And some cable clips, which might actually come in handy. So what we'll do is, it is my dirty old van. We will give it a bit of a clean. It's literally cobwebs. Right, so here we are inside. Where's the camera? Where's the thing? Where's the stuff? Here's the camera. So what we're going to do, we're going to probably pop it like there. I think that's a good spot. Now, in this accessory pack, it gives you some bits and bobs. Let's have a quick look to see what we've got in here. I suppose we could put one of these smaller ones on. Who knows? Right, so we've pulled that off. And then we're going to put this, no, there. So it probably helps, so you can stick that to there, and then when you stick the pad to it, you can then peel the whole stuff off. Right, what's the point of these things then? Which is not a bad idea. Right, so this is going to be okay. Now we're going to peel off the sticky pad. We'll try and, I mean, the only thing is it doesn't have any tilt angle on it all, so you got to make sure you get the thing like as level as you can. Like that, yeah, okay. Yeah, we've got that big ass cable in the way there. Big ugly cable. That's what we're going to do. This is for my automatic windscreen wipers. What we can try and do is we will power it up and then run it straight over to here. Because once it's done, it's done. Right, that's in. Put our vent back in onto there. Please insert SD card. Right. We've got the SD card that we bought earlier, haven't we? That can run directly in line with that. There we go. That's actually alright. Back how we were. That pops in nicely. Please format the SD card. Please format. Format complete. So it self-formats the SD card, which is good. Right. Now what we've got to do is download the app. Operation guys, right, connect a dash cam with the app. So here we go, we've even got QR code. So just scan the QR code. Goes to 6 zillion, so 1,000 downloads. Connect to Wi-Fi. P1 Duo right at the top there. Enter the password 12345678. So here we go. Camera's connected. You can see the front of my house there. How have we got it set up? Not bad. Oh, recording started. So it's going to be on a 2-minute loop. So then once we do that, we've got camera files, and then we've just got them popping in there. So there we go. So pretty simple. Pretty happy. I'll show you it again quickly. So that's how it's looking in the car. Not too intrusive, as I say. This is a pretty big black cable coming out the top there, but they always do have a cable coming out the top. So yeah, Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you like the video. The links will be in the description below for both products. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, see what you think. Let me know what you think about it, if you think it's a load of rubbish or it's going to be alright or anything like that. Cheers, guys. Catch you on the next one.